2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It was cleverly designed with details that delight any driver, such as satellite radio, four-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, tinted windows, running boards and/or side steps, convertible soft top, pass-through rear seat, brake assist, roll bars, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auto-dimming rear view mirror. Visit us to take home the car of your dreams.